Hey, hi, my name is David Tucker. I'm from Tallahassee, Florida, and today is August 27th, and I have just gotten some dental work done at Cancun Dental, and let me tell you, these guys are first class. They know, all the dentists know what they're doing. I had dental implant, I had a tooth pulled, I had gum surgery, and I had a crown. First class. In fact, I didn't even realize they had done the work. It was so painless. I didn't even know that it was done. They had to tell me that they had finished the work, and I almost fell asleep during the complete work. But all their dentists are first class. They know what they're doing. Everybody that works here treats you like a king or a queen. And the office personnel, the business manager, the drivers, they all treat you so well. I am giving up my Florida dentist. I am never, write this down, I am never going back to a Florida dentist. I'm going to come to Cancun every 6 months and get whatever dental work I have, because these guys are first class. They know their stuff. They're better than the dentists I've been using in Florida, and I can't say enough about them. They are super.